Hello, it's June 26, 2016. I'm doing a MathBabbler bit. I've made a change to the MathBabbler Number Analyst. It now supports what is referred to as verbose mode. When verbose mode is off, which is the default behavior, when it's checking for a number to see if it's a certain type of number, let's just say a lucky number. If it's a lucky number, we print lucky number. Otherwise, we don't print anything. If it's a Fibonacci number, we print that is Fibonacci. Otherwise, we don't print anything. If it's a super prime, we print that it's super prime. Otherwise, we don't print anything. Well, I got to thinking that there's a lot of knowledge programmed into the MBNA, and it would be nice if we could see all of the checks that the MBNA was making. And so I changed the program so that they support verbose mode. When the program MBNA is executed in verbose mode, well, now if we're checking if it's lucky, we'll print it's lucky. Otherwise, we'll print not lucky. If we're checking if the number is Fibonacci, we print is Fibonacci. Otherwise, we print not Fibonacci. If we're checking for a super prime, if it's super prime, we print that it's super prime. Otherwise, we print that it's not super prime. So when executed in verbose mode, we know all of the checks that the MBNA is making when given a number. I did a couple examples here. With verbose mode off, if I input the composite number 314, the MBNA produces 24 lines of output. And when I input a prime number, in this case 101, the MBNA produced 41 lines of output. Well, when I turn verbose mode on, an input of 314 results in 64 lines of output, which is an increase of 40 lines. And when I input the prime number 101, the number of lines of output increased from 41 to 84. So there's a lot more output from the MBNA when verbose mode is on, but when executed this way, you know all of the checks that the MBNA is making. Again, the default behavior remains with verbose mode off, but set an environment variable and bang, verbose mode is on. I think that's all I have to say, and movie.